Welcome, Mr. Andrews. Thank you so much for being a part of the Conversations on Intellectual Property video series. What is Redninko Graphics?
Thank you for having me, first of all. Redninko Graphics is an online platform that offers graphic design services and educational services as well. Eventually, Redninko Graphics will become an avenue for persons to actually get employment. What inspired me to create Redninko? Let's start with the name. So Redninko is two words merged together. Red, which is my favorite color, and Ninko, which means invisible fox spirit. The reason why I went with that was because of my experiences coming up as a young designer trying to make my way. And what happened, a pattern developed where my work preceded me. So I would have been pushing out lots and lots of designs, and person would have been recognizing a certain style is emerging in that demographic. And like I would be in a room and I would hear people talking about the flyer that somebody, and they're like, oh, yo, this is dope, like who did this? And I'm right there. So to me, it made me feel like I was invisible, and it felt like a superpower, like the power of invisibility. So I was right there, but not there at the same time. And so that's how I came up with the name Redninko.
What is new or important about what you're doing?
What's new about what I'm doing? I think for a very long time, I realized that the creative demographic has been treated a bit niggardly, in the sense that we've been ignored, and there hasn't really been an avenue to encourage us and provide development for us. So what's new is that I'm taking responsibility to bring up or elevate persons in the same category as myself, and having more of that I think would be essential one day for our country.
Why is it important for inventors, creators, and businesses to protect their work with intellectual property?
I think that's very crucial, actually. That's a great question. It is important that we protect our intellectual property because it protects us from infringement. It protects us from persons who want to use our hard work as theirs. So it protects persons from using our work unauthorized. There are benefits to it as well. We can use it to secure a loan, so we could use it as collateral. We could use it to generate revenue. We could use it as allegiance, partner with someone, selling the license for an extended period of time to generate monies and foster relationships with other persons.
Why is innovation crucial in driving positive change? And what new things do you hope to achieve?
I think innovation is crucial to driving positive change, because I would say this: if COVID-19 pandemic has taught us anything, is that we have to evolve and become creative if we want to survive. So I think that is something that actually needs to be encouraged. The new things I hope to achieve is that one day children who want to pursue a career in any part of art would be encouraged and confident that they're doing something that's just as important as being a doctor or lawyer.
How can policymakers support innovators, creators, and entrepreneurs on their journey?
I think policymakers play a crucial role in the development of innovation. And I think how they can affect it positively would be to, 1, buy it, 2, encourage it, 3, protect it from risk, 4, foster it. I think by any means, policymakers should become the lead customer or lead client, because by doing so, you will boost the morale of persons who are creatives. You'd boost the morale of your country, and by doing so, you would end up keeping persons from leaving the country, and especially the skills person. Because one of the things that I realized happened as a business person and just as a citizen is that some of our most, if not most of our skilled persons in the creative industry actually leave because they aren't appreciated and encouraged to do what they are doing. And what ends up happening, they leave, and then when there's a need for it, the government ends up outsourcing, which causes the country to lose money. So it's something that needs to be fostered and encouraged.
Thank you, Mr. Andrews.
Thank you, Lachelle. Thanks for having me.